What up, YouTube? It's Slowfitch here with another box of Topps Museum Collection 2014. We'll see how we make out again this time around. Four mini boxes per box. One, two, three, and four. No fatties. Well, let's see. Well, we'll go like that. Alright, pack one. Alright, pack one, we got Rickey Henderson base. We've got Christian Yelich base. Yadier Molina base. And, oops, sorry. Deion Sand, oh no, where is it? I think it's Deion. Canvas collection. And we're going this way. Alex Gordon, 30 out of 50. Jumbo material for the Kansas City Royals. I was about to say Chiefs. Pack two. Come on. Alright, we've got Tajon Walker base, brown border, Manny Machado base, Willie Mays base, Bo Jackson base, and 9 out of 10. Dun dun dun. Oh, boom, baby! Mark McGwire autograph. Whoa, that is pretty freaking sweet. That is pretty sick. I'm quite happy with that. I do not have a Mark McGwire auto in my collection, so that is pretty sick. And of course the phone rings whenever you're doing a video, which I will not respond to at this point in time because it's a freaking cold call. Anyway, back to the break. We've got a Jean Segura /99 blue. We've got a Will Myers base, Ryan Braun base, Mike Mussina base. Primary pieces, I think is that Clayton Kershaw? Yes, it is. /99, Jersey bat. Clayton Kershaw for the LA Dodgers. Alright. Pretty sick card there. Miguel Cabrera, green /999. $199, sorry. Juan Gonzalez base. Ken Griffey Jr. base, Chris Davis base, and what we got? Something signature. $2.99. Devin Mazzarosco triple jersey autograph. So I would have to wager that the hit of this box would be Mr. Mark McGwire. So we'll recap this. We got the Devin Mazzarosco autograph triple jersey piece. We've got a Miguel Cabrera green parallel /199. We got Mr. Clayton Kershaw jersey triple bat /99. Jean Segura, Juan Segura /99 purple or blue. I think it's blue. And the sick Mark McGwire autograph /10 on card, which is like freaking sick. And then we got I believe that's Deion. Yep, Deion Sanders canvas parallel. And Alex Gordon, jumbo material /50. But once again, Big Mac attack right there. Thanks everyone for watching. Peace.